My name is Mike Thomas. I'm a training development administrator with Kawasaki. I started my career with them over 30 years ago. I witnessed a tremendous amount of growth over those years. When the plant opened, we had 240,000 square feet of building, 150 employees, and the capacity to produce 200,000 units a year. 13 expansions later, we have over 900,000 square feet of building. We have over 850 full-time employees. We are still continuing to grow.
I have been with KMM since 1994. My current position here is training administrator with a background of die casting. Die casting is simply the process of forcing molten aluminum under pressure into a mold cavity. We cast the aluminum main components for our engines, which consist of cylinder heads, cover case, and crankcases. Primarily we cast crankcases here at KMM. The casting process consists of the die cast machines, melting and holding furnaces, robotics, trim presses, quench tanks. Our cylinder liners are casted within our crankcases. Parts are casted, trimmed, and sent to our machining process. Our goal is to provide a safe working environment and produce high quality, repeatable castings through process control, quality assurance, and continual improvement.
In machining, we have cast and steel. We take the raw part from die casting and machine it for assembly, doing a lot of drilling, tapping, boring, milling, reaming, getting that part ready for assembly. Some of the machines that we deal with every day are like boring machines, hones, machining centers, all CNC machining centers. Deal with lots of different programming, the engineering department. We have robotics, gantry systems, robo drills, different machines like that to do those processes. We also do batch checks, quality, and we're pulling parts 2 times a day for quality checks. And then we have hourly checks and 100% checks that we do also for our product. I think one thing that sets Kawasaki apart is just the tolerance that we have to deal with. Our specifications are very tight.
I'm one of the assembly team leaders at Kawasaki. I've been with the company for 17 years. In the assembly department, we assemble many different parts using the same method of operations and same motions. When we assemble our engines, we utilize robots, strong arms, poke yoke, or process control systems. Multi-spindle nut runners that run in and torque multiple bolts all at the same time. And we also rely upon the support of our team members. If we have an issue, help is just seconds away. We have an and-on system that alerts the team leaders if an area is needing assistance. We assemble, inspect, check, and verify to ensure that everything was assembled correctly. After the assembly process is complete, each engine is ran up, set to our customer spec, and confirmed that it is of superior quality. Once they leave the run-up stations, they are inspected again. The final inspector confirms, checks, and verifies that the engine is of highest quality and deserves the Kawasaki seal of approval. The packaging area, we wipe the engine down, prepare it for shipment, and package it to our customers' specs.
I've been with Kawasaki for nearly 15 years. In that time, I've served in several different roles. In my current role as an HR administrator, I'm directly involved in the recruiting and hiring process. Employment opportunities abound here at KMM. We have a number of different departments with different positions for all education levels. To fill these positions, we look for dependable individuals with the ability to adapt to change and who can succeed in a fast-paced teamwork environment.